So this is my Traxxas Summit. I did a brushless conversion on it. It's the 1/10 scale, so it is pretty big. It's my foot. This is a size 12. But what I did is I used some grease and I just oiled up everything. All the little joints. The hubs. And I heard a lot of people had diff problems when you do the conversion. I haven't had any diff problems yet. This is my new brushless setup that I'm using. It's the Race Star brushless. It's pretty fast. And I do have a 3-cell and a 2-cell hooked up. I know you're not supposed to mix and match, but I'm doing it and I haven't had any problems yet with it. Motor does get a little hot, not too hot, but for the most part it's been a good truck to me so far. Got it on auction on eBay. Only paid $250 including the shipping. So altogether I paid $310 and this truck rips.